Welcome to the Unmanned Security Vehicle simulation. In this simulation, you will pilot an unmanned security vehicle around a harbor and take water samples in order to determine which ship is the source of a pollutant. To move your vehicle around, click on the red ball in the controller box and drag it in whichever direction you want the vehicle to go. Release the ball to stop moving the vehicle. When you want to take a sample, simply click the Sample button and you will deploy a sensor. You can deploy as many sensors as you wish. To view the data that your sensors collect, click the button of the type of data you would like to view in the results box. In this case, I will measure the temperature. To do this, click the Temp button in the results box. The data table will now display the temperature of the water for the sensors that you have selected. If you want to measure a different factor, click its respective button in the results box. Please note that you can only view the results for up to 5 sensors at a time. To view the data for a sensor, click on its flag. A flag outlined in yellow represents a sensor that is being shown in the data table. To remove a sensor from the data table, simply click it again, and it will no longer be highlighted or be shown in the data table. If you need to remove all of your samples at any time during the simulation, click the Clear All button in the Samples box. This will remove all the sensors you have deployed.